Earth looks still. Mountains seem permanent. Oceans look eternal. But beneath the surface, the ground is constantly moving, slowly, silently, but with unstoppable force. Our continents are not fixed. They drift, they collide, they reshape the face of the planet. And when two continents collide, the results are so powerful, they can lift mountains taller than Everest, close entire oceans, split land into pieces, trigger mega earthquakes, and change life on Earth forever. Today, we dive deep into the hidden world of continental collisions, how they happen, why they happen, what they create, and what they will do to our planet in the future. This is the story of Earth constantly destroying itself and rebuilding again. Why continents move? Even though Earth feels solid, its outer shell is cracked like a giant eggshell. These cracks divide the surface into about 15 major tectonic plates. Each plate carries continents, oceans, mountains, deserts, everything. Underneath these plates is the mantle, a layer of hot, moving rock. Think of it like a slow-motion ocean of magma. Heat rising from deep inside Earth causes the mantle to circulate. This circulation moves the plates like conveyor belts. That movement is called continental drift. So continents don't stay in one place. They migrate inch by inch, year by year. You may not feel it, but the place where you're sitting right now is moving. The three ways continents meet. Whenever two plates approach each other, they interact in three major ways. 1. Ocean plate hits a continent, subduction. The ocean plate sinks below the continent. This creates volcanoes and deep trenches. 2. Ocean plate hits another ocean plate. One sinks under the other, forming volcanic island chains like Japan 3. Continent hits continent, the most powerful collision. This is different. Neither continent sinks. Instead, they crumple like cars in a slow-motion crash. This third type is what creates the most dramatic events on Earth's surface. What happens? During a continental collision, continents colliding is not a sudden crash. It's a multi-million-year war between two massive blocks of land. Here's what happens step by step. Step 1. The ocean. Between them begins to shrink. Before continents collide, an ocean usually separates them over millions of years. The plates move toward each other, and the ocean slowly disappears. This happened with the Tethys Ocean, which once lay between India and Asia. Step 2. Subduction begins. The ocean floor sinks under the approaching continent. Volcanoes erupt, earthquakes become common. The continents get closer and closer. Step 3 is the final collision. Eventually, the ocean floor is completely consumed. Now, continent meets continent. Neither continent can sink. They are too light. So all that force has only one direction to go. Upward. The land folds, breaks, pushes, and stacks on top of itself. This is how mountain ranges are born. Step 4. Mountain building, orogeny. This process is called orogeny, mountain building. But mountains don't rise peacefully. They rise in violent pulses. With each burst of pressure, parts of the crust lift several meters. Over millions of years, this creates giants like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, the Appalachian Mountains. Many of these were formed through ancient continental collisions. Step 5. Earthquakes and fault zones. The collision creates massive pressure zones. When pressure finally releases, it results in mega earthquakes. Regions like Nepal, northern India, Pakistan, Turkey exist along continental collision zones, which is why they experience frequent earthquakes. Step 6. Continents fuse together. After millions of years of crashing, the continents become a single landmass. This is how supercontinents form the greatest collision in history. One of the most dramatic collisions on Earth was India versus Asia. About 120 million years ago, India was an island near Africa. It raced north at extraordinary speed, nearly 15 centimeters per year, 3 times faster than normal plates. When India slammed into Asia around 50 million years ago, the impact pushed land upward, creating the Himalayas and the Tibetan Plateau, known as the roof of the world. Even today, India is still pushing into Asia. The Himalayas grow taller every year. Future collisions. What will Earth look like? Continental drift hasn't stopped. Future collisions are already in progress. 1. Africa is moving toward Europe. The Mediterranean Sea will disappear. New mountain ranges will form too. Australia is moving toward Southeast Asia. Massive mountains will rise where they collide. 3. North America is moving westwards. Far in the future, it may collide with Asia again. Eventually, all continents will merge into a new supercontinent. Pangaea Ultima, 250 million years from now, Earth will have one giant landmass, one massive ocean, powerful storms, intense volcanic activity. The world map we know today will be completely gone. Why these collisions matter? Continental collisions shape everything. Mountains, rivers, oceans, climate, earthquake, zones, volcanic belts, habitable regions. Without collisions, Earth would be flat and lifeless. Every breathtaking landscape we admire exists because continents collided. Everything from the Himalayas to the Alps to the mountains you see near your own country. We're all born from the violence of Earth's moving plates. Our planet is alive. It's restless, and its greatest transformations are still to come. If you enjoyed this long documentary-style breakdown, hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Comment below.